Hello, and thank you for watching this data service instructional video. In this video, we're going to go over the All Student Sessions page. So on this page, to get to All Student Sessions, you have to go to the Student Detail page. There are two ways to get there. One, you can select the student's name from the dashboard, or you can type the student's name into the search and then select Enter, and it will take you to the Student Detail page. Once you're on the Student Detail page, you want to navigate down to All Student Sessions. That will take you to all of the student sessions. We automatically default to the IEP timeline. What this is going to do is it's going to show you all of the students' information that's been entered into our system between the dates of the IEP. So you'll see for this specific IEP, it's going to be April 28th, 2025 to April 9th, 2026. Any sessions, meetings, annual summaries, any information that is entered for this student during that time will fall on this list here. If you need to change the IEP, the date of the IEP, you can come over to the right here. There's a small filter. Select that filter, and you can choose a different IEP to view. Or if you'd only like to see finalized or unfinalized sessions, or you'd only like to see your own sessions, that's fine as well. You can use those filters also. Alternatively, you can view all of this information through a school year timeline. So you would just navigate over to school year timeline, and then from here, select the school year that you would like to view all of the sessions for. This is going to take the start of the school year date and the end of the school year date and show you all sessions for a student between those two dates. So that's how the school year timeline functions. But for now, we'll stick with the IEP timeline. I did want to show you that once you come to the IEP timeline and you're looking at all data, you'll notice on the right that there are a few columns here that may look a little different. So next to your minutes column, you have finalized and processed. In the new related services system, finalized sessions can still be edited until they are processed. So we're going to tell you when you finalize sessions. You do that through the session review process, which I'm going to go over in another video. And those sessions can still be edited. As you can see over here, I have an edit meeting button until cost recovery goes out and pulls those sessions down into a report to start to process on their side of the application. So again, if you come in and edit this meeting, what will happen is this meeting will then be kicked back and turned into a non-finalized meeting or a non-finalized session, and you'll have to finalize it again through the session review. So just remember, if you go and edit a session or a meeting or any of the other or an annual summary for a student that has not yet been processed but has been finalized, you will have to refinalize that that meeting, that session, so that it falls back on that cost recovery report. And you can tell if it's been finalized by the finalized and having a finalized date in the column for finalized. Next to the finalized column, you'll see processed. Now, processed, this column indicates that cost recovery has pulled this file, and you'll see that once the file has been pulled and cost recovery has started processing that file, the edit button is gone and it has been turned into a view button. So all you can do now is view this session or this meeting or this annual summary. So just keep that in mind. If it's processed, you can no longer edit it. You have to, it is locked down so that you can't edit it. But if it is finalized, not yet processed, you can edit it by going into using the edit button to go in and edit that session. All right. Thank you so much for watching this video on all student sessions.